Hi guys, I'm going to share with you how to draw a perspective based on a plan. I'm going to draw a one-point perspective. Enjoy the sharing session. Okay, the first step that you need to do is you have to draw the plan. I'm going to draw a plan of size 3 meters times 3 meters. Okay, then I draw a grid. It's easier for us to decide what is the size of any furniture that we want to produce. Okay, I'm going to draw a box somewhere there. Then there's a planter box somewhere there. Then I'm going to allow a pathway somewhere there. So my view is I'm standing right here and then looking towards the planter box. Okay, the first step that you need to do is to draw a horizon line. And then you have to draw a human figure as your reference object. It's much easier for you to set your size of your room, of your area. Okay, that you know from here to here is 1.5, then you need another 1.5 there, another 1.5 there. So you have the size of from here to here, the area. And the vanishing point is, how do you indicate your vanishing point on this horizon line? It's easier. This is your area, and then that you are standing at the center of this area, so your vanishing point is located somewhere there. And then you project the line there, and you have the line there. And then how do you decide the depths? This is my way. Maybe there's many ways to decide the depths of this area. I'm going to use this 1 meter. I decided from here to here is 1 meter, and then draw a line somewhere there. And then I divided, we know that from here to here is 3 meters. I divided them into 3 sections, 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter, more or less. This is just a sketch. Then you project the line, then you have 1 meter, 1 meter, and 1 meter. Then from there you project this line, then you have the 3 meters width of the area, the depth of the area. Okay, now you have to position your whatever that you want to draw. This is the area of the box, and that is the planter box area, and that will be your pathway. Okay, then you have to know what is the height of this box. I'm decided to make it 0.75 meters height, so that is my 0.4 meters height, because this is already 1.5. Divide with 2, then you got 0.75. So the box is 0.75, and then you project back the line there, and then you will have the box, the size of the box. And then you continue again to draw your planter box with a height of 1 meter. You know that from here to here is 1.5, then you divide it into 3, and that is your 1 meter. Then you have a 1 meter planter box somewhere there, and then you project that line. That is your planter box. Okay, where's your pathway? That is your pathway. You can see that this is behind the planter box, then that is your pathway. Can we add something? Okay, I want to have a big tree somewhere there, another 3 somewhere there. So I know that the tree is located somewhere there, and then somewhere there. What you need to do is just to bring that up, and then bring that up, then you project that, and that is your trees. Draw just like that, then we decorate that later. So that is your trees. Okay, now what you need to do next is to ink the area, the elements that you already draw. For example, the box. Okay, I started with the box, so that is your box. So this is your planter box. So I'm very sure there's something you want to put a plant, a shrub, into the planter box. And you draw a shrub. That is my shrub. You may draw other shrubs that you like. but that is my types of shot that I want to put in. And then this is a small palm species, something like that, just to, okay, that is the, so then you need to decorate the pathway. That is your pathway. So the trees is located somewhere there and somewhere there at the center, and that will be your trees. Then you can decorate the trees, make it more like trees. There, put some branch somewhere there, and then give him some shots under the trees, and it will then continue with another tree somewhere there. Then you have the overall setting of your perspective. Then you render it a bit on your pathway, the simple lines, create a pathway, and then what will happen here is just a path with a tiles or whatever that you want to render. Put some dead leaf just to give some character to your planter box and to your floor, and then some characters to your planter box. And then you may add some more, but you can see on the plan another freestanding wall somewhere behind those area, and that is your entrance to your area. So now you have a 5 minutes perspective sketch.